welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a sugar scrub for your face and neck. So are you ready? Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using 3/4 cup of cane sugar. This is granulated cane sugar. Next, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of almond oil, sunflower oil. I'm using 2 tablespoons. Sunflower oil. Now I'm using jojoba oil. I'm using 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Vitamin E, 1 tablespoon. Next, I'm using the honey. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of honey. 1, oops, very full. And 2. There we go. Not forgetting the fragrance. The fragrance I'll be using is orange blossom. 1 tablespoon. Now that all the ingredients are in, I'm just going to mix, blend everything up nice and smooth. I'm mixing it into this container and then I'll be transferring it to a bottle. Remember, you can always add more oil if you need to. If it's not the way you want it, you can fix it to suit your preference. Just continue to stir it to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed well into the sugar. Now this sugar scrub will soften your skin and make it so smooth. You're going to tell the difference immediately. Okay, I'm almost finished mixing it. And now I'm going to get ready to transfer it into the jar. It takes a while to make sure that everything is mixed in well. Still mixing. Okay, I think this is what I want. Looks good. Okay, so now I'm ready to transfer it into this mason jar. I made just the right amount. As you can see, the bowl is empty and the container, rather the bottle, the mason bottle is now full. And there you have it. This is your face and neck sugar scrub. Very easy to make and safe. So I know some of you might be wondering what are the benefits of using this face and neck sugar scrub. So here are the benefits. It will help to reduce wrinkles. It will help to remove scars and acne. It stimulates collagen. It contains vitamin E, A and C as well as D. It smooths and softens your skin, adding a radiant and youthful glow. Apply this scrub to clean dry skin and massage gently in a circular motion, avoiding eye area. You can leave this on for 15 minutes, rinse with warm water. Feel the difference, see the difference. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you'd like to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!